And what I'm looking for is, let me extend this a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. What I'm looking for is the background color, which I think is right here. That's the top panel color. So we need the background color, which is right here. So hit change. Instead of that gray, I'm going to paste the blue in the background there. So let's see what we got so far. Now we're getting closer. We're shooting for this sort of thing. And this is what we have so far. One thing we can do is in advanced layout on the left here in the administration, I'm going to make it a little bit wider. I'm going to say 95% width of the browser window. So I hit update. There, we're getting closer. Okay, so the next thing is we need to identify this yellow color so that we can have the body in that. I guess you'd say that's yellow. That's kind of
ochre.
Ochre. Okay.
I have no idea.
All right, so we can
like an ochre.
we can use that same method of identifying that color in Photoshop there. And it's FFFFCB. I'm going to copy that and go back to the administration page, colors and graphics. And we want to find the body color.
Body panel color?
Also the left panel color as well.
Oh,
so
sure, that's right.
We can change that one. Update. And yeah, body panel color, I believe that's it.
I don't know, too, if you can see, there's a lot going on in the administration page, but it does try to approximate what you're building as you build it.
Right. So just a quick refresh to see where we're at. Looking pretty good. There's a little bit of a break in the graphics when we scroll down small, and we could get rid of some of this up here to help with that if we wanted to, but it's not that bad. So let's work on the text color to match the dark reddish brown color, and maybe the heading color as well. So I'm going to go back into this file. I'm going to grab that brown color. Alright, now here's the default text color that I'll change to that brown. Let's see. We're kind of making it up as we go along here, but I'm going to change all the site link colors as well to that brown.
Oops, I got an extra 9 at the beginning. Yeah.
Good eye.
Oh, yeah. It's only because I've made the mistakes often enough.
Right. So now you see we have a nicer looking text there. Why don't we add a few, it looks pretty blank, and maybe we can get a better idea about the layout if we add a product or two, just to, so we have something there. So let's go into add products. First I'm going to hide this, and hide Photoshop as well. I'm going to open up this this T-Room database that was provided. Let's open it up with BBEdit and find it. There it is. Alright, so what we have here we have some header field headers, field names. And then we have the data here.
All WebDNA databases are essentially the same format. They're pieces of text separated by tabs. The top row of the file is always the names of the fields of the database. It's a very simple way of handling data. It's a straight text file, so just like we did, you can open it directly off the disk and read what's in there.
Right. It wouldn't be too difficult to create a utility that we could use to merge this entire database into the Site Builder database. But for this example, I'm just going to be grabbing the bits of text that we need and data that we need and enter it in manually into the Site Builder template. So first product number one, we need a title. So I'm just going to simply grab, let's look for all day breakfast tea, I guess is what this one's called.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to copy that and enter that here. Grab the description.
This might be easier to do a soft wrap. Well, there you go. I guess you can just do it.
And then we need the price. Looks like it's right there. Okay. I can grab it. Get familiar with the tab function. So I can look professional here. We need a weight. See if we got a weight. Looks like it's right there, 0.25.
And two, you can also open these text files in a spreadsheet. Be careful when you save from a spreadsheet application, because sometimes spreadsheets like to put quotes around every field or introduce other extraneous characters. But it does help to see the data where it's forced into vertical columns.
I'm going to go ahead and add this product as it sits right now before I add the image. Open library, web server documents, admin. Okay, this is because I think if we don't have a static pages directory. So I have an error there that I'm going to see if I can fix real quick. Oh, while I'm here, I can tell you that this is the default installation directory for Mac OS X, the library web server. And I want to go into see what we got here. So,
well, for those of you who never use the command line, you can go out to your hard drive icon under Mac OS, and just clicking on the hard drive itself, that first list of files that comes up includes a library. That's the library that Donovan's talking about. Inside there is a web server directory, and inside there you'll see the web catalog folder.
So the reason why we're getting an error there, I believe, is that we don't have a directory called static pages. And just to make a note that